Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, this is going to be a template preview, and that is for the these little matches, the little matchbox. Yeah, I wasn't quite sure what to do with these, but this is an example. I made 3 different templates. This is the first one, and this one just covers the front and the back only. That way, if you still wanted to access the match strip, you know, you can do so. But this just covers just the front and back. So you would just take this and also stick it on the back. I did not. This is pretty much what the matches look like. This is the count. This is the size. And then the second template that I came up with, this one just goes all the way around. So it just covers the entire thing. Now, me personally, out of these 3 templates that I made, I would do this one. This is the one that I would work with personally because it's the easiest one, okay? It's the easiest one. You just wrap it all the way around, and then I can slap a sticker on it. You know, I can make a sticker and, you know, punch it out with a hole puncher and just stick it on, and bam, it's done. Okay. Now the third one, this is the third one. Now with the third design, you have the option to put something on the sides. Now this side looks like this because this is just where I ended up taping it together, or you know, the sides ending, but you have the option to put something on the side there. And of course, you know, I just filled a peppermint in it. I think this is adorable, but you can do this with all of them. You know, any of the templates, you can put whatever you want down inside of it. Of course, the measurements to this are only going to be on my Patreon page. If you would like the link to that, the link will be in the comments below. So be sure to look in the comments or the description box. I'm about to eat this peppermint right now. Shoot. Yeah. So if you have any questions, no, I'm not gonna eat the peppermint. God dang it! I'm about to cook dinner. No, I'm not eating the peppermint. That's, you know, it's gonna throw off my taste buds. Anywho, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon.